At Bluestar, we don't just clean, we sanitize. As part of our HVAC and air duct cleaning service, we use only the most advanced and effective disinfecting technology available. Our commitment to providing the highest quality service is exemplified through the use of electrostatic sprayers. These sprayers produce an electrostatically charged mist that adheres to all surfaces, ensuring an even and thorough coating on air conditioning units and ductwork. This specialized disinfectant not only sanitizes, but also eradicates harmful contaminants that can lead to mold and mildew in your vessel's HVAC system. Bluestar goes beyond basic cleaning. We actively safeguard your vessel from future air quality issues. By preventing the spread of harmful air contaminants within the AC system, Bluestar Marine ensures that the vessel's environment remains safe and healthy for all on board. This meticulous attention to detail and commitment to using cutting-edge technology underscores Bluestar Marine's dedication, maintaining optimal air quality and protecting the long-term integrity of the vessel's HVAC system.